Hi guys! Today we're going to unbox the newest package from FinalPress. It's their pocket-sized coffee and tea maker, perfect for travelers who love making coffee on the go. Inside, we have a mason jar lid for cold brew, a spring-powered plunger, a laser-cut 200 micron filter, and a handy carrying sleeve. Right now, you can get this amazing travel companion for 40% off with free shipping worldwide. Just use our promo code TAKEOFFPH for an additional 10% off. For more details, visit finalpressco.com/takeoffph.